Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.